Hello everyone, this video I'm going to show you how to join big games Discord server. First, to join big game Discord server, you click on this plus icon, which is add server, and right here click on the join a server, and right here you're going to search for the names, which is a big, or you just don't have an invite option. Okay, go right here, then you can come up here and search for the server. Okay, I'm just going to search, and I'm just going to put in big games, which is big games. I'm going to search. Okay, good. So once you search it, then you're going to have something like this, which is big games, right? And this is the server I'm looking for. You can see it was about 92,587. So I'm just going to click on this, which is big games, and I'm just going to join. See, this is join, and you are currently in preview, so I have to wait. So before I can join this group, before I can get this server, I have to verify my mail. Or if you have your mail, no problem, and just join and review the server's rules and regulations so that you don't get kicked out in the meantime. And that's it. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.